Demystifying fatty liver disease, causes, symptoms, and solutions. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease comprises two primary types, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD. We'll delve into the distinctions between these variants, shedding light on how NAFLD is intricately connected to metabolic factors, while AFLD results from excessive alcohol consumption. We'll also explore the prevalence of this condition and the risk factors that render individuals susceptible. Causes of fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease doesn't discriminate, it affects individuals from all walks of life. It is often inextricably linked to a range of causes, including poor dietary choices, obesity, excessive alcohol intake, and metabolic syndrome. In this section, we'll delve into the root causes of fatty liver disease and unveil the complex processes that lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver. Symptoms and diagnosis. Fatty liver disease is a condition that can manifest in various ways. It can present with an array of symptoms, from persistent fatigue and abdominal discomfort to jaundice. We'll explore the common symptoms and detail the diagnostic methods that medical professionals employ to identify the condition. From blood tests to imaging techniques and even the intricacies of liver biopsy, we'll provide a comprehensive understanding of the diagnostic process. Complications and risks. While fatty liver disease may begin as a seemingly benign condition, its progression can lead to severe complications. This segment sheds light on the potential complications, including the development of liver inflammation known as steatohepatitis, the onset of fibrosis, and even the dire outcome of cirrhosis. We'll also discuss the augmented risk of cardiovascular diseases and diabetes associated with NAFLD, emphasizing the multifaceted nature of this condition's impact on health. Treatment and management. Managing fatty liver disease is a multifaceted journey. Effective treatment and management often necessitate a holistic approach, encompassing lifestyle changes, medical interventions, and a profound commitment to wellness. In this section, we'll detail the strategies that individuals can employ to manage and alleviate fatty liver disease's impact. We'll delve into the importance of weight loss, dietary adjustments, and regular exercise as pivotal elements in the management process. Additionally, we'll explore medical treatments and interventions suitable for advanced liver disease, providing a comprehensive overview of the options available to those facing this condition. Prevention. Prevention is often the first line of defense against fatty liver disease. In this segment, we'll provide practical, evidence-based tips for avoiding the onset of this condition, emphasizing the significant role of a balanced diet, moderate alcohol consumption, and regular physical activity. Prevention, in this context, extends beyond merely avoiding risk factors. It encapsulates the proactive steps individuals can take to ensure their liver health. Early detection is a cornerstone of prevention, as identifying fatty liver disease in its early stages can significantly reduce the risk of progression.